Hey folks, so recently this past week, there was a fire in a home and the occupant had a working fire extinguisher, but it come to our knowledge that the occupant didn't know how to use the fire extinguisher. And today we're going to teach you about that. So today we're going to talk about the most common fire extinguisher in a household. This is an ABC extinguisher and it covers 3 different classes. Class A is natural combustibles, wood, trash, any type of vegetation. Class B covers liquid fires, so like gas, oil on the stove, that'll cover this. And Class C is for electrical. These are very commonly stored in the kitchen because we cook in the kitchen and it's surrounded by hot oil. So grease fires, a powder comes out of here and it smothers the flames, extinguishing the fire. We recommend at least a 2.5 pound extinguisher in each household. Most people store them in their kitchen. Some people store them in the garage. Some have multiple spread out through their house. You can pick them up or purchase them at any local hardware store or a store that specializes in dealing with fire extinguishers. Now, some different. Some have a hose on them, some don't. It all comes down to your personal preference. And like we talked about in our Facebook post this morning, if you don't follow us on Facebook, follow us on Facebook. We talked about pass, pull, which is you pull the pin, aim for the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and then you're going to sweep it. And we're going to demonstrate on a live fire. We're going to light this barrel on fire and we're going to demonstrate how that works. And folks, if you have any questions or concerns or not sure where to buy a fire extinguisher, give us a call and we'll be happy to assist you.